Hi, we are needing the spice soup market. I am good. Philippines. Philippines. Yeah. Where are you from?
I'm from, what do you think?
Huh?
What do you guess?
I don't know. You look...
Really?
Wait, what's your favorite food? What's your favorite food?
Chicken.
Hoy, alam nyo ba, when I first arrived in Dubai, tuwang-tuwa ako dito sa mga ganito. Merong kalapate. Ay, kalapate. Merong feather ng kalapate. Ay, give me free water.
I give everything free, don't worry.
May patubig. Ang kulit mo. How do you do it?
So basically, this is from Turkey.
This is Turkey.
This is Turkey handmade. This is basically coming from Turkey. Yeah. Yeah.
And this?
For you the best price, maganda
Really?
price, you know. Yeah.
Maganda price. I speak Tagalog. Done na. Thank you. Nice meeting both of you. Bye-bye na.
Nice to meet you. Bye bye. See you next year, next time.
Next year. Bye-bye. Thank you.